Building a custom PC can be an exhilarating experience, especially when it comes to selecting the right components. One of the most crucial elements in this process is choosing the right PC case, particularly a mid-tower case, which strikes a balance between size, functionality, and aesthetics. Mid-tower cases offer enough space for a powerful build while remaining compact enough to fit in most environments, making them a popular choice among gamers and PC enthusiasts alike. Number 1. Cooler Master Masterbox Q300L. The Cooler Master Masterbox Q300L is a compact yet spacious mid-tower case designed for flexibility and airflow. Featuring a modern, minimalist aesthetic, it's perfect for users who appreciate both style and substance. This case is ideal for gamers looking to showcase their builds with a tempered glass side panel while ensuring optimal cooling performance. Equipped with various mounting options for both air and liquid cooling, the Q300L offers versatility in component placement, making it suitable for high-performance builds. The magnetic dust filters and ventilated panels ensure your components remain dust-free, which is crucial for long-term performance. With its user-friendly design, this case makes cable management a breeze, allowing for a clean and organized build. Key features: tempered glass side panel offers a clear view of the internal components while providing durability. Versatile cooling options, supports multiple cooling configurations, including up to 6 fans. Ample storage, accommodates up to 4 storage drives, making it ideal for gamers with extensive libraries. Magnetic dust filters, ensures easy cleaning and helps maintain airflow efficiency. Compact design, fits in smaller spaces while still allowing for full-sized components. Number 2. NZXT H510. The NZXT H510 is a highly praised mid-tower case known for its sleek design and efficient cooling capabilities. With a focus on ease of use and a streamlined setup process, the H510 is perfect for beginners and seasoned builders alike. The minimalist design, coupled with the iconic NZXT aesthetic, makes it a popular choice for those looking to build a stylish rig. This case supports a variety of cooling solutions, including support for AIO coolers and multiple fans. It features a cable management system that helps keep your build tidy and reduces clutter, promoting better airflow. The H510 also boasts a tempered glass side panel, allowing you to showcase your components while keeping them safe and secure. Key features: clean aesthetic, a modern design with a glass side panel for a professional look. Efficient cable management, a built-in cable management system keeps your build organized. Cooling support, compatible with AIO liquid coolers and several fans for optimized airflow. Versatile drive bays, allows for multiple SSDs and HDDs, providing plenty of storage options. Easy installation, user-friendly design simplifies the building process. Number 3. Thermaltake Versa H18. The Thermaltake Versa H18 is a versatile mid-tower case designed for users who want a balance of performance and aesthetics. It offers ample space for various components while maintaining a compact footprint, making it an excellent choice for both gaming and professional builds. The H18 is known for its excellent airflow and cooling capabilities, ensuring that your components remain at optimal temperatures during intense gaming sessions or demanding workloads. This case includes a mesh front panel for improved airflow and features an all-black interior that enhances the visual appeal. The tempered glass side panel allows for an unobstructed view of your build, while pre-installed fans contribute to immediate cooling performance. With easy access to components and cable management options, the Versa H18 provides an enjoyable building experience. Key features: mesh front panel, enhances airflow and cooling performance for high-demand builds. Tempered glass side panel, showcases your components while providing durability. Pre-installed fans comes with pre-installed cooling solutions for immediate use. Ample expansion slots supports multiple graphics cards and storage drives. User-friendly design, simple access to components for upgrades or maintenance. Number 4. Phanteks Eclipse P400A. The Phanteks Eclipse P400A is a stunning mid-tower case that emphasizes airflow and aesthetics. With a high-performance design and customizable RGB lighting, this case is perfect for gamers who want to make a statement with their builds. The P400A's mesh front panel allows for optimal airflow, ensuring that your components stay cool even during demanding tasks. The case also features a spacious interior that can accommodate high-end components, including large GPUs and multiple cooling solutions. The tempered glass side panel provides a great view of your build, and the case comes equipped with multiple RGB fans, giving you the ability to personalize your setup easily. The P400A is designed for ease of assembly, making it a favorite among both beginners and experienced builders. Key features: high airflow design, mesh front panel for optimal cooling performance. Customizable RGB lighting, integrated RGB fans and lighting control for personalization. Spacious interior, room for large components and multiple cooling solutions. Tempered glass side panel, showcase your build with a durable, clear view. User-friendly assembly, designed for quick and easy setup. Number 5. Fractal Design Meshify C. The Fractal Design Meshify C is a mid-tower case that prioritizes airflow without compromising on style. Known for its distinctive angular mesh front panel, this case offers excellent cooling potential while providing a sleek look that fits into any environment. The Meshify C is designed for high-performance builds and is particularly favored by gamers and content creators alike. Inside, the case offers a spacious layout that allows for easy installation of components and efficient cable management. The design supports multiple cooling configurations, including space for large radiators, making it an excellent choice for custom water cooling setups. With its tempered glass side panel, you can showcase your carefully curated components while keeping them safe. Key features: angular mesh design optimizes airflow and adds a unique aesthetic to your setup. Spacious interior, roomy design allows for high-end components and efficient cooling solutions. Excellent cable management, multiple routing options for a clean, organized build. Versatile cooling support, compatible with both air and liquid cooling options. Tempered glass side panel, durable and provides a clear view of your components. Conclusion: selecting the right mid-tower PC case is crucial for any PC build, as it influences not only aesthetics but also functionality and cooling performance. The 5 cases discussed here each offer unique features that cater to different needs and preferences, from minimalistic designs to vibrant RGB options. Whether you're a gamer or a professional, you can find a mid-tower case on Aliexpress that fits your requirements perfectly. Investing in a quality PC case can greatly enhance your overall building experience, ensuring that your components remain cool, organized, and beautifully displayed. Explore your options and find the perfect case to house your next build.